What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Roasted Beans and Tires. Today I'm here with another F150 LED product, and we are going to be installing it into our F350 Super Duty. This one is a 2024 King Ranch. We're going to be adding some lights to this truck to make it a little bit different and make it, a little more customizable. So we are going to be adding the new CREE rear interior dome lights right here from F150 LED. And as you can see, there are multiple colors available. You can either get clear ones or different colors. I'm going with the blue, so the interior of the car is going to light blue. This is an easy install, honestly, 20 minutes. Let's go do it, plug and play, no issues. Roasted Beans and Tires, F150 LEDs. Let's go take a look. The first thing you're going to want to do is go up into your instrument panel and click the button that will turn all of your lights off for your dome lights and your lights in the back. Next, you're going to take your tool and you're going to go to the back side of the light and you're just going to pop it down. These tools are available on F150 LED. You pop it down and literally all you do is pull that light out, and there is a connector on there, and you are going to disconnect the light. And then next you will put the F150 LED light in and you pop it back in and you're set to go. It said to remove this black piece from inside there. We did do that, and then we found out we were actually better with it in, so we ended up putting it back in. Maybe you'll have to remove it, but we decided to leave it in. But as you can see, you just connect the lights and you pop them in. Turn your lights back on in the front, and now you have a blue light inside your truck, and you'll do the same thing on the other side, and that's it. So you can either manually press it right on the light, or you can control it from the front of your truck from your light panel. And that's all it is. Literally 2 minutes, and we had a whole new look on the inside of the truck. Next, we're going to be doing the front lights, so make sure to stay tuned because those are coming.